Hello guys, this is ChangeYourLookuk coming to you with another video, and this time is going to be my quarantine routine, guys. My quarantine routine, I said. So the first thing I do in the morning when I wake up, I say my prayers, and the next thing I go to the bathroom, and little boy is still sleeping. Then I go to the bathroom, then I have my teeth brushed. I have to brush my teeth in the morning because when I wake up and I've not brushing my teeth, I feel as if I'm still sleeping. I don't know if you guys have that feeling as well. I feel as if anyone has had that feeling, I feel as if maybe I'm still sleeping. I've not woken up yet. So I just have to like brush my teeth, then wash my face. Then I will feel like, okay, now I'm awake. So I have to brush my teeth, then wash my face. What I do next is to pat dry my face because I have a dry skin on my face. So I just pat dry. I don't like screw up the towel all through my face. I just pat dry my face. Then I will use a moisturizer on it. I normally use this Aveeno moisturizer. It's actually my son's body cream, so that's what I normally use. Aveeno moisturizer. It's a very nice one. If you guys have not tried it and you need a good moisturizer, you should try it. It's really very nice. So I just put it on my face and I massage it into my face very well. And the next thing I do, I move to the I go to the bedroom and then I dress the bed. I have this feeling like if my bed is not properly dressed, I feel as if the house is messy. So I have to like dress my bed every morning. I won't miss that one. I don't miss that one. The room I woke up from was actually my guest room. So sometimes I just run there to sleep when Sammy starts kicking me at night doing 360 degree on the bed. So I'll just run away and go to the guest room, and whenever he wakes up, he will still come and meet you in the guest room at night. He will just come and sleep next to you. Anyway, so that's the reason why I woke up from the other side. So you can see that the bed is well dressed now, so I can move on to the next one. So what I do is to wipe my wardrobe mirror. If you know me very well, you know how much I love mirror, like up to down mirror, the one that can see my head to my toe. That's the ones I love. So guys, I'll just clean it because I open the wardrobe every now and then, so it always have this fingerprint on it. So I'll always like wipe it every now and then. So I'm using the antibacterial wipe to like wipe it off. So after wiping that, I'll move to the bathroom, the other bathroom. Then I'll just give it a nice wipe as well with my antibacterial wipe as well. If you don't know about this antibacterial wipe, you should really get it. It's very nice. It's multi-purpose, easy to use. So I'll just quickly wipe the toilet as well. The sink is not dirty, but I just need to give it a wipe. So I have some things in my cupboard there. I have some toiletries, some hair products and perfumes as well. If you know me, you know how much I love perfume, so a lot of them. So I'm just going to show you a few ones. This one is my friend that gave it to me. She's like a younger sister to me. I love her so much, and she gave me this on my birthday. And Girl of Now, that's what the perfume is called, and the perfume is so nice. It smells so good and it's long lasting as well. It's really very nice. It's a nice perfume. If you're looking for a good perfume to buy, just check for this Girl of Now. It's really very nice. You will love it. And this next one is Jimmy Choo and Flash. And Jimmy Choo Flash, and this is really very nice as well. It's my son's godmother they actually gave me this when I went to visit her, and the perfume is nice. I don't like use it all the time. I use it once in a while. So she was the one that gave it to me. It's really very nice. If you're looking for nice perfume as well, this is also very nice. And then the next one is DKNY. I have history with this perfume, seriously. Like about the very first time that I started using perfume, that was when I started using DKNY, because a friend used to get it for me in the UK. Whenever he travels to the UK, he travel all the time to the UK. Whenever I travel to the UK, he will like buy the set. There is a 4-set DKNY in the carton that I normally buy and give to me as a gift. So I love the perfume. I grew up knowing DKNY. It was like my very first perfume that I used when I was growing up, and the perfume is really very nice. You can't check my collection of perfume and not find DKNY. You cannot. It's really very nice. Very nice. I can recommend it. And the next one, if you know me, you will know that I love male perfume. This Hugo Boss is one of my favorite male perfume. I love it so much because when you put it on your cloth, it stays more than 24 hours. You remove the cloth and you pick it again, it still smells on it. It's really very nice. Hugo Boss, I love Hugo Boss. If you know me very well, you know how much I love male perfumes. They're really, it stays long lasting, so I love it so much. So guys, that's one other perfume that I really love so much. And the next one is Victoria's Secret. I always advise a lot of female to like use Victoria's Secret because Victoria's Secret is really it's a very nice thing that every female should use. It's a body spray. When you take your bath at night and you just want to go to bed, all you need to do is to spray this on your neck bone, and your bedroom will change. The fragrance of your bedroom will change automatically, and your room will be like, you will love it. If you spray it, the first time you spray it, your husband will definitely ask you, who told you about this? How did you get to know it? It's seriously, just spray this and sleep next to your husband. Your husband will love you the more. In short, you won't rest that night. This body spray is really very nice. I promise you that. Victoria's Secret, look for it. You can buy it online. It's really very nice. I think every woman should be wearing this. And then I like my house to like have a kind of nice fragrance. That's why if you look around my house, you see diffuser everywhere in the house. There is one over there on the cupboard there. I put it everywhere because I always want to go into my place and make sure that the place smells very nice. I want a guest to come in and the place smells very nice. So that's one thing I really love doing. I love my apartment to smell very nice. My son just woke up, so I changed his diaper and then he's playing again. And look at my living room, it's looking like a crash. Mr. Man has done this. I arranged this living room like more than, if I'm not mistaken, more than 10 times a day. And see here, this boy will still come and mess it up. Once he notices that it's properly arranged, that's when he mess it up. Once it's looking messy like this, he won't even touch it until the place is well tidy. That's when he will come and mess it up again. I bet you that boy is so funny. So I'll just use this fabric cleaner just to use it to clean the chair. It's for fabric, so use it for your chair. It gives it this nice smell after cleaning it. Your chair, your sofa will just sense very nice. So I like using it to like clean my sofa. So that's what I'm using. I just spray it on it, then use my towel to like go through it, just clean it all over. And then I arrange my pillows on it on the chair. And then I just try to do everything I think I need to do, and then I move on to my TV stand. Then I just clean that properly, and I'm also using the antibacterial wipe as well. I use the antibacterial wipe for everything, like to clean almost everything in my house. Even this side table you're seeing now, this mirror, I've used the antibacterial wipe to like wipe it before using the towel to clean it. I'm also using the antibacterial wipe on my little boy's chair as well. I'll use the antibacterial wipe to like just clean it over. It's really very nice. If you're wondering where I got it from, it's from Aldi. Aldi sells it. So did you open this thing?
Oh no!
Oh no, but why did you open it? In your hand.
Yeah.
So the next thing I do is to move to my kitchen. Once I enter my kitchen and I have dirty dishes, my dear, that kitchen is messy to me. I have to like clean my dishes first. I don't miss this in the morning. If I can't do it at 9 before going to bed, when I woke up first thing in the morning, that's what I do. When immediately I enter the kitchen, I will have to like clean the kitchen, clean all the dishes, make sure that the kitchen is well cleaned. So that's just it for me. And after doing that, I just use the kitchen wipe to like wipe the water around, make sure that the kitchen area is really well tidy, and put every stuff to their rightful positions, and just make sure that the kitchen is looking nice. I always love my kitchen to look, as in I don't want to see any dirty dishes. It's really, that thing really just annoy me. I will just make sure that everything is taken off. So I'm trying now to clean the my dining table. So I just take the stuff out of the dining table. So I'll just clean it. I'm cleaning it right now with the antibacterial wipe as well. So I clean it properly with the antibacterial wipe, go through it very well. Even before these whatever coronal COVID-19 came out, I've been using this antibacterial wipe, and it's really very nice, guys. I think if you don't know about it, you've not seen it, you've not been using it, you should try use it. It's very nice. So the next thing I will do now is to take my vacuum cleaner and try to just clean around, make sure that the floor is well cleaned. Some of the crumbs and the stuff that Sammy has eaten that has fallen on the floor, I vacuum clean this house maybe like twice a day minimum. So I'll just like vacuum clean it and then just move on to the kitchen, try to vacuum clean, make sure that I don't like stepping on sands, because sometimes I might just not be wearing slippers, sometimes I might just not be wearing my flip-flop. So I don't like, in short, even if I'm wearing, I don't like seeing sand on the floor. It's kind of annoying. I don't like it. I don't know, even my son, he doesn't step on sand. If he step on sand, he will be crying. He don't like stepping on sand. So just imagine him stepping on sand in the kitchen. So I don't even do that. So this multi-purpose wipe, if you don't know about it, that's it. It's really very nice, easy to work with. I will show you how it works now. I use it for different things. You see that stain on the floor? I'll just take one of it and just wipe it, and it's clean. If I don't want to do proper mopping, I just use that and it will clean perfectly well. So what I did to my hand wash in my house, I mixed it with Dettol, because I could not get the sanitizer. By the time we were looking for it, we could not get any. So I used the Dettol that I have at home, and it works very well. It's also very nice. You know, Dettol is also antibacterial. So I have to mix the Dettol, a lot of it, into my hand wash, and it's really nice. All my hand wash, my kitchen, bathroom, every corner, all my hand wash is mixed with Dettol. So if you cannot find if you cannot find the proper distance to wash your hand, you cannot find it in the shop because it's so difficult now to find, you can just use Dettol if you have to mix your stuff. So the next thing I do to start my day with, I pick my concoction. That's the concoction for quarantine. That is my quarantine concoction. So what I did, I mix it with lemon, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. I mixed them together, and then what I did, the way I prepared mine, I had to like blend some together to put in the thing before chopping some together to put inside as well. So when I take some, what I normally do, I refill it and shake it together, then keep it back, because this will last, it will work for like 3 to 5 days. Then I will throw it away and do a fresh one. It's really very nice. If you want to see how I do it, leave a comment below. I'll show you how I prepare it, then I'll post it for you guys to watch. It's really very nice. So I put it in the microwave for it to like microwave for 1 minute. I want it to be hot. It has to be hot. You know, in this quarantine season, everything has to be hot. So I microwave it for 1 minute for it to be hot. Then I mix a half teaspoon of honey into it. So I'll mix it, give it a very nice stir. Make sure that it's properly mixed into it. I just mix it, give it a nice stir, and just mix it properly. Then I'll drink it. Then that's when I know that my day have started. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video and hope you've really enjoyed this video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. And don't forget to leave a comment if there is a particular video that you want to see in this channel. And just a little advice for everyone out there: if you are not a medical practitioner, I don't see any reason why you should be out there. If you're not a carer, I don't see any reason why you should be out there. If you are not a doctor, I don't see any reason why you should be out there. They've given you the opportunity for you to work from home. So if your office could say that you should work from home, you should know how serious that thing is. Even you're working from home, they are still paying you. So I don't see any reason why you will be fighting yourself to want to go out. Please, if you want to go out, just walk around your house. Please don't go far so that you don't put your family in danger. This is just a little advice from me to you and from our quarantine morning routine. See you on my next one, guys. Bye for now.